Did you know if you're entitled to a higher rate mobility allowance, such as one of these, that you can exchange it for a brand new car? And here we have a huge range of Renault models available on the Motability Scheme. So as well as a brand new Renault, the scheme covers all your maintenance and MOTs. We'll take care of your roadside assistance. You get fully comprehensive insurance in case the worst were to happen. Oh yeah, did I forget to mention all of our cars have a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating? All you have to do is just add fuel. That's providing you need fuel, of course. That's right, you even get the benefit of low-cost motoring from an electric car with the Zoe. Now we appreciate not everybody's requirements are the same. That's why we offer a range of solutions and adaptations to allow to help with driving, storage and access to our models. You don't even need to drive the car yourself, with many people entitled to Motability not actually of driving age. You can have up to 2 drivers on the policy, and that can be yourself, or you can have 2 people such as a friend or family member. So long as the car is of benefit to you, then they can be covered. We have Motability specialists here with many years of experience who will be able to answer all your questions and give you all of the options available to you. And then when you're ready, they'll even be able to organise a test drive. And then when you've chosen the right model for you, it's yours to enjoy for the next 3 years. And at the end of your lease, just hand the car back to us and then go again with a new one. To find out more about the Motability Scheme, check out our website, but also follow us on our social media pages such as Facebook and Instagram. And also, if you like this video, hit that like button, click subscribe, and also hit the bell icon as well, so you never miss an upload. Many thanks.